Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Zotac GeForce RTX 3060. The Zotac GeForce RTX 3060 Twin Edge was one of the cheapest 3060 out there. Despite being affordable, this card does offer excellent performance, even if it looks pretty basic. The fan of this 3060 graphics card utilizes the 11-blade Ice Storm 2.0 cooling solution, which ensures that the temperature always remains under control. Despite all that, it can hit up to 70 degrees Celsius during overclocks. This is a smaller card, so it can easily fit inside your micro RTX case. It uses a 1x8 pin connector, but it's reasonable considering the size of this GPU, but a single 8-pin connector indeed brings this card down on the overclocking charts. It will be a better idea to go for some other option on this list if your main goal is overclocking, since this is a budget 3060 and has a lower overclocking capacity than the other 3060. Even if it does provide a big boost, the card won't be able to keep it stable for long since it is lacking in cooling capacity. This 3060 doesn't feature any RGB lighting other than the Zotac logo that glows up at startup. The card also doesn't support NVIDIA SLI and features only one HDMI port. Our second best RTX graphics card is IVGA GeForce RTX 2060. The IVGA GeForce RTX 20 series graphics cards are powered by the all-new NVIDIA Turing architecture to give you incredible new levels of gaming realism, speed, power efficiency, and immersion. With the IVGA GeForce RTX 20 series gaming cards, you get the best gaming experience with next-generation graphics performance, ice-cold cooling, and advanced overclocking features with the all-new IVGA Precision X1 software. The new NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPUs have reinvented graphics and set a new bar for performance. Powered by the new NVIDIA Turing GPU architecture and the revolutionary NVIDIA RTX platform, the new graphics cards bring together real-time ray tracing, artificial intelligence, and programmable shading. This is not only a whole new way to experience games, this is the ultimate PC gaming experience. Third choice in our list is Asus GeForce RTX 2060. If you're looking for the best RTX 2060, then the Asus GeForce RTX 2060 OC Edition is the ideal choice for you. However, it is also one of the most expensive Asus GeForce RTX 2060 out there, as you can easily get an RTX 3080 for almost the same price. Despite being extremely expensive, it does offer the highest custom overclock for Asus GeForce RTX 2060. The card is also exceptionally quiet, and the temperature is also pretty good compared to the other variants. This GPU offers a lot of enthusiasts out there. This gaming GPU itself looks pretty sturdy, with lots of metal features standing out. The side panel also looks excellent, so if you have a transparent or glass-tempered case, then this GPU will add to its beauty of it. This Asus GeForce RTX 2060 is advertised to reach 1890 MHz, but you can push this GPU up to 1785 MHz with the right settings, which should give you about 7 to 8% of a performance boost. Powered by NVIDIA Turing with 1785 MHz boost clock, 1920 CUDA cores and overclocked 6GB GDDR6 memory. Supports up to 4 monitors with DisplayPort 1, 4, HDMI 2, 0 and DVI ports. Wing blade fans boasts IP5X dust resistance and operates at 0 decibels levels when temperatures hit below 55 C. Protective backplate features a durable aluminum construction to prevent PCB flex and trace damage. GPU Tweak 2 makes monitoring performance and streaming in real time easier than ever, and includes additional software like Game Booster, XSplit Gamecaster, WT Fast and Quantum Cloud. Number 4 in our side is Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3070 Ti. Gigabyte offers a comprehensive NVIDIA Ampere streaming multiprocessor 2nd generation RT cores 3rd generation Tensor cores powered by GeForce RTX 3070Ti integrated with 8GB GDDR6X 256-bit memory interface WindForce 3X cooling system with alternate spinning fans RGB Fusion 2.0 protection metal backplate 2X HDMI 2.1, 2X DisplayPort 1.4 core clock, 1830 MHz. Get the ultimate gaming performance with Aorus RTX 3070Ti graphics cards. Powered by NVIDIA's 2nd Gen RTX architecture and refined with Gigabyte's WindForce cooling technology, the GeForce RTX 3070Ti Gaming OC8G brings stunning visuals, amazingly fast frame rates, and AI acceleration to games and creative applications with its enhanced RT cores and Tensor cores, and super-fast G6X memory. Last in our top 5 best RTX graphics card list is MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3050. The GeForce RTX 3050 lets you take on the latest games using the power of Ampere, NVIDIA's 2nd generation RTX architecture. Get incredible performance with enhanced ray tracing cores and Tensor cores, new streaming multiprocessors, and high-speed GDDR6 memory. The GeForce RTX 3050 is built with the powerful graphics performance of the NVIDIA Ampere architecture. It offers dedicated 2nd Gen RT cores and 3rd Gen Tensor cores, new streaming multiprocessors, and high-speed G6 memory to tackle the latest games. Step up to GeForce RTX. NVIDIA Reflex delivers the ultimate competitive advantage powered by GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs. NVIDIA Ampere architecture features advanced 2nd General ray tracing cores and 3rd General Tensor cores. AI specialized Tensor cores on GeForce RTX GPUs give your games a speed boost. NVIDIA Reflex delivers the ultimate competitive advantage powered by GeForce RTX 30 series GPUs. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.